Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Skype, SMS, or email verification code has not been received, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the validity plan of your SIM card, and I'll tell you why. Because at times what happens is that when the validity expires, you will not be able to receive the SMS, any SMS on your phone. So I have encountered this in the past, and by recharging my phone, I was able to receive the SMS. The next one is to check the additional folders, and this is for the case where you are getting an email verification code. Check the promotions folder and even the social folder, because sometimes they count Skype as social media or the updates folder. And obviously, check the spam folder too. So click on more here and then go to spam and check the spam folder. And the last one is to check the internet connection. Now, how would you do that? Go to fast.com in the address bar and check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? If it is good enough, in that case, you will be able to send the code and receive the code. But if it is very slow, or let's say it is not non-existent, then you might have sent the code, but you might not have received it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could uh, help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.